Hello everyone, what's up? What's popping, guys? So here is CFcryptoTA, also known as CryptoDunk, and today I just wanted to give you a quick update on Bitcoin. Okay, so in the next 15 to 20 minutes, we're gonna go through what is going on with Bitcoin. Exciting time. Okay, so it's really exciting right now, and what is gonna happen in the next few months. Okay, so I wanted to just go over a few of the great news that we have in the market right now. I'm using CryptoRose, which is another streamer, which I really like. He really bring all the news in the market every day, so I follow him. However, obviously, I also follow all the crypto news website and stuff like that. But just because it's easier, he has all of the most important news in one place. I use his website. Okay, so what is going on in the crypto market? We got the Miami mayor to take the full salary in Bitcoin. So this is the new trend that is starting. Many of the public figure and some of the very famous people are starting to ask to be paid in Bitcoin. So this is a great bullish momentum news. Obviously, we don't know for sure if that's gonna happen, but they are asking. They're starting to ask it. And what is gonna happen? Where do they get this Bitcoin? They get it on the open market, so they will drive the price up, guys. Then what we have as well is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the favorite of the people. Okay, it's the token of the people. A lot of people are super bullish about Shiba. I'm honestly not that bullish. Okay, and don't call me fool. I know it's been up for so much. It's just a feeble project in my opinion. They went up obviously because of FOMO. They went up a lot, and I think it's too late, guys. It's really went up so much. It's already taken Dogecoin on the scoreboard. So and it's already around, I don't know how much, but 30 billion or something like that. So it's a bit late for Shiba, I believe. And you can see also other meme coin going up, skyrocketing. I don't really believe in meme coins. They're a joke for me. So I rather put my money where the fundamentals are strong. Now, another bullish news is Australia. Australia approves Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. So Australia is forefront in crypto right now. Although obviously it's a huge country with a relatively small population, uh, but they are moving forward fast and they are adopting new technologies, and we can see it with Bitcoin. This also going to bring a lot of good bullish momentum, and maybe USA and other big countries are looking at these not small because Australia is not small, but these countries which are adopting quickly the new technology, and maybe they take example and start approving the same. We obviously had the approval of the future ATF in USA not long ago, 2 weeks ago, and unfortunately, it was just a future ATF, which is not the best. We want a spot ATF on Bitcoin. This is because the dynamic behind how you trade the future ETF and the spot ETF is different. They don't hold the real Bitcoin, so they won't really reflect the price of the Bitcoin on the market. Now, Facebook. This is the huge news of this week. Facebook wants to be the metaverse. So they start talking about the metaverse. So we're talking about NFTs, gaming, crypto gaming, uh, to play games. And Facebook wants to be at the forefront. They said that the metaverse is the future. Everything will be done in the metaverse, working, meetings, coffees, everything. So they believe the metaverse is the new um, era, and that was compared by many of uh, most important people which are commenting on this technology, saying that it's similar to when Steve Jobs talked about apps and iPhone and iPad and so on. So this is a huge news. I thought obviously Meta, they changed Facebook to Meta. This one changed obviously the history of the company, which wasn't the best, right? I thought is one of the biggest company in the world. So this is a huge news. It's a huge adoption sign. And guys, crypto is getting adopted mainstream. So that's the right time. Now is the right time to be in crypto, right? Okay. So let's move on and look at the chart, technical analysis. All right, my favorite. So as you know, we talk around about that many times. We have the wave cycle, Elliott wave. We had the wave one here, going down here. The second one. We had the third one, fourth one, the one that we just finished in July. And here we go. We have the fifth one. This is the start of the fifth one, guys. This is the wave one of the fifth one. And now we are in the third one. This is actually the wave one of the third one of the fifth one. I know it's weird, but basically every wave cycle is breakdown in other wave cycles. Okay, so in lower time frames. That's why it's important to understand which time frame we are looking at. We are looking at the day to get the proper macro and primary trend of Bitcoin. We should look at the weekly, and if we look at the weekly, we can see wave one, two, three, four, and then we start with the fifth. Okay, so the wave one, the wave three, and the fifth are the impulsive wave. Is the one that in this case we are in a bullish trend. So are the bullish waves and are the strongest one. Okay. So and also what is important, we need to look at the secular trend of Bitcoin, and we know that the secular trend, if we look at the monthly, we can see that it's been going up forever. Let's say from for the last 12 years. And so this is the primary, I mean, not the primary, the secular trend. So what we know so far is that the primary trends, which are usually lasting 3 to 5 years, are following the trend of the secular trend. So it's always the most important thing is to basically understand first what is the biggest trend, okay, the secular trend. So the secular trend is bullish, so we expect the asset to appreciate over time because the trend is bullish. So we have a higher high, lower high, and so on. Okay, so that's how it works, the structure. Now let's go back to the daily. We just had here a pattern back in September, which we broke successfully, and it bring the new impulsive wave, the wave one of the third wave. Sorry, here we go. This is our what is going on. Okay, breakout, and here we go, impulsive wave. Now what is going on? We have a micro similar pattern, which I highlighted already here. We have a descending wedge, which is a bullish pattern, as you can see here, and we have a breakout. So now we are on the retest of the breakout, okay, on the retest of the resistance, and then we should start to have the impulsive wave up. So now you can see here I put the price target, which is around 67,500 for this particular price pattern. How did we get that? We get from the lowest, and actually it's gonna be more because I don't know why. Probably was the other pattern. Anyway, from the lower to the top, okay, from the base, let's say, of the channel to the top of the channel, and then we put this one on top of the breakout, okay. So it brings us to 69,000, so 70,000. I was already talking about this a long time ago, okay. Now, if we go even lower time frame. Now, what I wanted to also point out, we can see that the 50 MA, 50 daily MA is bringing some kind of support. Okay, so we see here we went shy to the 50 MA and we bounced. This is providing an important support for Bitcoin. Also, if we use the volumated weighted average price. Okay, this is another great tool to use. Looking at the shortest term bullish term, we can see that it was providing support based on volume, and the fair price of Bitcoin was around 57,200. So this one was the support for Bitcoin, and we have a great bounce here, as you can see. And if we analyze it further, if we go a little bit closer, we can see that the bounce here was providing a bullish engulfing. Okay, this is a bullish engulfing. I thought that I would like to see this bar smaller and this one significantly bigger, but still this bar envelope the old one, which was after a downtrend. This is the bullish engulfing, and we see great volume increase. So we have the good volume increase on the sell-off. So this is a some kind of local selling climax. We have a really good increase of volume, and straight away after we had a great increase in volume, even higher on the bullish engulfing. This is a really bullish scenario. It usually lasts between 5 to 10 days. Although I believe it's gonna last a little bit longer, and we have straight away the reaction, the breakout from the trend, sorry, the descending price pattern, the descending wedge, as you can see. And now I wanted to point out another amazing and cool um, pattern, candlestick pattern is this one, and is this one over here, provided by these five candles. Okay, so we have the green, and in this case yellow, be on my chart, candle, which was a bullish one. We had the three descending small body black one, okay, and then another bullish strong candle. So this is called the three rising methods, and it's quite hard to find it, where especially that well developed like this one here, and it's a continuation pattern. As you can see here, we have a strong bullish candle with a good volume. We had three bodies with lower volume, so decreasing volume, with a kind of again another selling exhaustion here with this candle over here. And then we had another green candles, in this case yellow, which it envelop all the other three bodies, and it goes higher than the previous green candles. This is a free rising method. Is a strong pattern, and is a continuation pattern, and is usually compared to the bullish flag. So it's the bullish flag of the candlestick, and this one it's predicting higher prices. Okay, so now that we see these three price action, we had the bullish engulfing, the free rising method, and the breakout of the descending wedge, we are pretty sure that the price is ripe to go higher and go to 69,000. Now let's have a look at the indicators just for a moment. Now I'm not going to explain all these indicators because you don't need to know it right now. Right now, now we can see the stochastic RSI. This is what we are looking at. We just had the daily stochastic RSI taking off from the oversold condition and started to go the way up to the overbought condition. Sorry, to the higher condition. Okay, so that's a bullish sign. We just started, guys. We just fucking started. Sorry for the for the swearing word. Okay, so here we go. We have another bullish sign. All right. Now, another thing that I want to point out is we go in lower time frame, and I show you other price pattern. This is a confluence of price pattern is at this moment. This is a great moment, guys, to be in crypto. Bitcoin is gonna shoot up. Now let's have a look. We have here a head and shoulder. Now, I want to point out something. We had not long ago, there were a lot of people talking about, oh, there is a head and shoulder here, a head and shoulder. It's going to break down, and it's going to bring the price down, and everything is going to be destroyed, and blah, blah. And it was here. Okay, so we have one, two, three. Everybody here, they were dooming. They were saying, "Oh, we're gonna see 52 and blah blah." And I posted a chart where I said, "Guys, this is a fake out. It's not gonna work." And everybody, "Oh no, no, it's gonna work." And I explained, if you go and check in my ideas over here, we had BTC misleading. You would have also bought the complete bottom. So here I call the bottom, guys. It was here, okay. And if you check after, there are all the. I was talking about all the different head and shoulder that everybody were calling the bearish head and shoulder, which was here. This one over here. This one was the 4 hour head and shoulder. One head and right shoulder. Everybody, "Oh, we're gonna go down. It's 52 and blah blah." No, guys, no, guys. You need to look at the chart. You need to know how to read the chart. Here, there was little volume. Okay, everything was over sold already. Okay, so the indicators were all oversold already. So there is no way that it's gonna go. There is no way. It's already oversold. So guys, you need to learn how to read the charts. Now let's go back to the real important stuff. Here we have a head and shoulder, clear head and shoulder. We got left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. We got the breakout, guys. We got the breakout. Okay, so this one, only this one, is already bringing the price up of 8%. So from this breakout, we're gonna go to the all-time high now. Okay, so exactly the all-time high. So now we're gonna see this over here. We're gonna probably see a cup and handle. So going down here, and then boom, explosion, guys. We got 100k, 100k coming. Okay, so now we have this price pattern, which is another head and shoulder. We have a smaller. So if we go down on the hourly, we have even another one, which is just complete. We already got the target, and I was calling it yesterday or no 2 days ago. So we had the head and shoulder here. You can see left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So it was head and shoulder, big from 4 hours time frame. Another head and shoulder on the hourly. This was a combination of price pattern breaking out from the descending wedge. What can you uh, ask more, guys? This one was super bullish. I don't understand why YouTube gurus and deceiving traders, which they believe they're super good, they're calling these bearish patterns. They can see all this bullishness. I mean, this is clear as the sky, guys. We just broke above the 50 MA, so now we have the 50 MA behind us, which is providing support, which is super bullish. Okay, now we are having a little retest of the breakout, so we're probably gonna basically retest this candle over here, which is the rising three rising method, so around 62 200 to then shoot up to the old all-time high. We will stall just for a few days maybe around this area, and then we're gonna go crazy, guys, to 100k. Now let's have a look quickly at the daily. As I said here, we're gonna have 100k and then 180k, guys. This is my prediction. And how do I do this prediction? I take the extension here. We brought it from the start of wave 1 to the end of wave 3 and to the end of wave 4, and it will bring us the two target, which is 0.618 and 0.382. So the first one here is 90,000, and then the second one here is 186,000. So this one will be the final target of this bull run for me. So this one was all for me. I know you're concerned about the volume. I will do another video on the volume just to make you understand how actually you need to read the volume. And yeah, that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This one was CFcryptoTA, also known as CryptoDunk. Please follow me, share if you like it, smash the like button, and also follow me on YouTube, guys. I'm trying to grow up and make some info videos and try to teach you guys. I'm trying to teach you guys. Have a great day, guys, and enjoy these crypto markets.